Good morning everyone. This is Standard 7, Chapter 2, Video number 1. In the last class, we have read about the mouth and the teeth. When the food goes in the mouth, we know that salivary gland secretes saliva. From that, enzyme is secreted. That enzyme is amylase that breaks starch into sugar, that is maltose. Now the food moves to esophagus. Okay, what is esophagus? If you are seeing in the diagram that esophagus is a muscular tube like structure about 25 centimeter. It extends from pharynx to stomach. It passes from neck, thorax and diaphragm, which is present here. Diaphragm is present here. Okay, after swallowing the food, partially digested food, that is called bolus, travel down. Okay, I am making you see the figure. In the partially digested food called bolus travel down from the esophagus. This esophagus has no digestive glands and not concerned with the digestion, okay, of the food, but the food moves downside along with the contraction and relaxation of esophagus muscle. If you are saying that the food is there and then it contract the muscle, the food moves, here it expands continuously. Expansion and relaxation of muscles, wave like action comes, that is called peristalsis movement. Okay, now stomach. You are seeing this stomach. From the esophagus the food goes to the stomach. Okay, the stomach is J shaped. You are looking that it is looking like a J shaped and thick walled organ present on the left side of the abdomen. It is the widest part of the alimentary canal. Okay, and the inner wall of the stomach contains a gastric gland. Okay, this gastric gland secrete three things. This gastric gland secrete three things. First is HCl, that is called hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Okay, second thing is secrete pepsin. It is an enzyme. Okay, third thing is secrete mucus. Okay, now we will read one by one, okay, about the HCl, about the pepsin and about the mucus. Okay, let's see. Now first listen what is chyme. When food contains saliva, mixes with the saliva and the enzyme, that is called chyme. Okay, now when the food goes to the stomach, they secrete the gastric juice, that is colorless liquid containing water, hydrochloric acid and the enzyme called pepsin. What is the function of hydrochloric acid in the stomach? Okay, the first function of the hydrochloric acid that it kills the microorganism present in the food. Second function, it softens the food. Okay, and third function, okay, it makes the acidic food for the proper functioning of food enzyme, that is pepsin. Now second one secreted, that pepsin is there. This pepsin, what happens, this protein, when we eat the protein with the help of pepsin enzyme, the protein is broken down into peptones and protease. Okay, and this pepsin enzyme begin to digest the protein. Okay, now one more thing is there, that mucus is there in the secreted. That what is the function of mucus here? Mucus protect inner lining of stomach from the ill effect of HCl and pepsin, because HCl is a corrosive mineral acid that can digest the cloth, the muscle also. It can digest our stomach also, but we have to save for that our body, our stomach secrete a mucus that helps them to from the ill effect of HCl.